Welcome to Merritt Ford. Spotlight on a new F-150. This is the 2025 F-150 LARIAT edition. Sport package on it. Black pack. It's got the black wheels, black running boards. Intelligent access. Touch the door handle and it opens. Outside keyless entry. Step into this luxurious interior. Leather, heated, cooled seats. It's got the fold down workstation, fold the shifter down, flip over the console lid. You can use it to set your computer on or to eat your lunch or write some notes. Very handy. Equipped with all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, of course. All-wheel drive modes and adaptive cruise. You've also got memory seating in this one, so you can set your seat where you want it. You got 3 positions. Once you've got it set, you just hold the button until it beeps, and it's set there. So next time you get in your truck, it'll return the seat to that position. Of course, backup camera, 12-inch screen, navigation, lots of features. It's got on-hold feature. Set that on and you can stop at a drive-through, take your foot off the brake and it'll hold the vehicle there until you touch the gas pedal. And of course, dual climate control and flow-through ventilation into the back. It's got inverter built into it, front and back of the console. And power sliding rear window. Trailer tow package, so it's got the brake controller built into it. And let's check out the back seat. Very spacious, comfortable back seat. Fold down armrest in the middle, cup holders, or fold it up for lots of storage. This one has the fold up storage, so you can either have it as a flat floor or storage under the seats. And you got USBs in the back and the inverter. Dual exhaust. Got the blacked out lettering in the F-150. Trailer tow package on this one. Wiring it up in the bumper out of the way. 4 and 7 way. Power tailgate. This one has a bed liner in it. Inverter is wired to the back of the box also. Come down to Merritt Ford, Highway number 9 North today. Check out this 25. Lots of discounts, lots of low rate financing. Check us out today.